Hi, today we're going to be unboxing my very first Coco box. So this is a box straight from Korea. I thought my other box was the last one I did, the Joa box, but I don't think it is. This is the one where I've got all the Korean shipping information. So it comes in a pack like this. We've cut off the packaging sheet, the shipping sheet. So Coco Box comes in two different types. Well, four different types. But there's Coco Box Bites, which is Korean treats, which I've lived in Korea and I love Korean food, but I don't need a shipment of it. And Beauty, Coco Box Style. So this is the Coco Box Style, the lower tier one, and it's a nice box. It's very light, so I'm like, what's going to be in it? We will find out. Wait a minute. There we go. Okay, like an insert. Kokostyle November box. So here's the sheet. Let's see what we're going to get. Ooh. Green tea. Okay. Herbal green tea modeling cup pack. It's a little powdery, but still good. It's crossed an ocean to get to me. Everything's powdery. K-Cow Friends. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think they're Band-Aids. I have a 3-year-old. He's going to be psyched. AHC Whitening and Wrinkle Care Gen 5 Hydrating Ampule. Nice. I hardly ever get ampules. So that's pretty cool. Oops, I grabbed two things. Heartfelt Melting Cream Lipstick. McQueen New York Retro Velvet Lip Pencil. I don't know if this is going to be my color, but it's pretty. The color for this one is Black Tea Pong. This one is Sugar Pink. Old Dilly Bops. I think I've actually gotten this mask in another box, the aloe, but it's hard to tell. I don't know if it was a Misha aloe sheet mask, but you can't really go wrong with aloe. So here we are. Let's look at the insert. Okay, Zeku 7 modeling cup pack green tea. This herbal green tea modeling cup pack will make your skin clean, glossy, and moisturized, and it gives you little instructions on how to use it. Misha Aloe Airy Fit Sheet Mask. Skin Fit Daily Sheet Mask to deliver active ingredients to the skin effectively by sticky adhesion. AHC Gen 5 Hydrating Ampule. This is an intensely hydrating ampule with rich ingredients that will help skin glow throughout the day. After using a toner, apply a moderate amount over your face and gently pat for absorption. McQueen Retro Velvet Lip Pencil. Easy to use lip pencil. Holika Heartful Melting Lipstick. Holika's Heartful Melting Cream Lipstick is a full coverage pigmented lipstick with a creamy finish. And then a gift for style subscribers. Must be these little Band-Aids. Cute. Take that out. So this one, okay, so let's just do a little background. On October, no, I ordered it sooner than October 3rd. Maybe it was November 9th. I ordered this November 9th. And nope, sorry, my mistake. I ordered this October 3rd and I've got charged on October, but the deadline is the last day of the month, so I got charged for October for this November box, and then I got charged again in November for the December box. So I got charged 2 times without even getting a box, which is the first time it's ever happened to me, and it was kind of not my favorite. So that's a little bit of a negative. I don't like that. But now that I'm already caught up, it is what it is, right? The other thing is there's a couple tiers. I have it pulled up on my phone just so I can make sure. I tell you correctly. So this is the Kokostyle, $29.99 plus shipping. I don't know what the shipping will be for your house. I'll leave a link though. You can check it out. So each one of our handmade boxes come with 2 to 3 full-size items. Yeah, I would say these are all full-size from what I understand. This is an extra and this is a sheet mask. And this is a little gift, so that's pretty cool. They ask you to select your preferred makeup color, which is light beige or dark beige. I usually put a comment that I don't want any thing like that, just because I am a darker brown than most Korean women. We will see. But this is the Kokostyle box. This is November. These are the items that I got, and I am totally going to be doing another video for December because I've already paid for the box. So if you like what you see, if you have any comments about boxes I should try, please like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear back from you, and I will see you guys next month.